Hello, today I'm going to show you how to build this bird from the Angry Bird, Red Bird. So the pieces you need for the middle of the red bird. This can be any color, 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 or this can be any color. Take two 2x2 plates and clip them. Then we need two 1x1 Technic bricks or one 1x2 Technic brick. I use 1x2 Technic brick with and studs. Two Technic studs. Then we need two 1x1 bricks with studs on the side. After that we need two 1x2 plates and two 1x1 bricks with stud on the side. Do it twice, but this stud is looking up. These are the pieces you need for the sides of the red bird. Start with 3 1x2 plates in red and one 1x2 plate in beige. Then clip it with the one 2x2 plate. Then we need some cheese slopes. Do it in the mirror reflection. I use this piece, but because I can't find 2x2 plate in red, but you can use what you have. Oh, I have some cheese slopes. And this. Then we need our middle. And put it here. So, yeah, like this. These are the pieces you need for the back of the red bird. Start with 4 corner plates and clip them with 2x2 plates in red. Then we need some cheese slopes. And 2x2 tile in red. And put this in the back here. Yeah. These are the pieces you need for the face of the red bird. Start with 3 jumper plates and clip them like this. Then we need some 1x2 tile and put it here. Then we need 1x3 plate in red and 2 cheese slopes. And put it here. Then we need some 2x4 plate in red or 2 1x4 plates in red. I use 2 1x4. Then we need some 2x2 plate in red. Then we need some cheese slopes. Then after that we need jumper plate and 1x2 plate and some ice pieces. Put it here. Oops. Next, take 1x3 plate in beige and 2 cheese slopes, also in beige. Then we need some 1x1 plate. Put it here and put it here, like this. Then we need some 1x2 plate in yellow and cheese slopes, some cheese slopes. Ta-da! And we have our cool angry bird. Yahoo! Ta-da!